Alright, Forex market, guys, second time for the day. It's all about new trades today. It's all about taking action. This is the second position that we're about to initiate. This is the pound versus the US dollar. We've been waiting for this moment. Probably about a week ago, we started to notice price action was turning back down, coming off 39.49. And we also knew that it was on its way to 41.01. I will refresh your memory showing you the big picture, but that was pretty much the situation. And all that was left was to figure out where was the right moment to strike. We were talking about 38.36 and 38.01 as the end of the road for this technical correction. We expected something to happen in this area, right? We weren't sure whether it was going to be the 38.36 that's going to do the job or the 38.01, and I actually mentioned that. But it's interesting to see. Well, technically it's the 38.36 that was able to block that negative momentum, pretty much to turn this price action upside down. But it's interesting to see how price action was able still to reach 38.01. And we're talking about yesterday. It's all about yesterday, right? I mean, yesterday and the day before price action engaged for the first time, it encountered that 38.36, got rejection, did get that rejection. Yesterday was quite, pretty wild. It started on the back foot, slightly kissed that 38.01 and immediately jumped back up, ended up on the positive note. And it's just beautiful to see how it paid so much respect at 38.36 level yesterday and the day before. Now we're looking at an upside reversal. So I guess we've seen enough, right? As far as evidence goes, I think we're safe to pull the trigger. We're going to be aiming at 41.01, so that's not a quick move we're talking about. That move could take some time to materialize. We're talking about 130 pip. Right? That's why we're starting off small, just 5K, guys. As opposed to the previous position we initiated on the dollar jab, there where we were chasing 60 pip. It makes sense. It makes more sense to start stronger. Here we have quite some time probably to build up the position nice and slow. We should take notice of 39.49, right, for potential partial execution, basically for potential profit taken. And then we have 40.51, which is another resistance level, but basically 41.01 is the next big one. Let me show you why. Again, we've talked about that before, but I'm going to refresh your memory. This is the bigger cycle, right? Coming from the weekly chart, started around February. We had the 1, the 2, and the 3. Now we think price action is engaging with the fourth leg that should take us back to the upper section. That's why we're looking at 41.01 as final destination and primary target, right? But again, we do have some obstacles along the way, couple of obstacles along the way, and we're going to try to dance around those resistance levels once they become relevant. For now, we're just starting off, so let's see how it goes. We need price action to build up some positive momentum, and we're looking forward to see how today and tomorrow, the next couple of days are going to be turning out to be. We got a stop loss level, should be mentioned, of course, is right here at 37.50. 37.50. I think it's safe enough to place at 37.50. We have to remember we're using 38.01 and 38.36 here, both of these levels as buffering zone, right? So yeah, interesting stuff. New position, pound versus US dollar, looking bullish right now, especially on the background of yesterday. And we're gonna have to come back, follow up on the situation here. That's about that for the day-to-day Forex market. We're gonna continue off to the cryptocurrency market. So see you there.